Morning students, today we are going to read chapter number 13, Great Indians. There have been many great people in India. Some of them are being described below. Can you recognize them? Take help from the clue box. बच्चे, in India there were many great people for their work. Today we will read about that people. So let's start. First is, he was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize. Who was this? First Indian who win the first Nobel Prize. He got the prestigious, means most important or famous award for his book Gitanjali, and this person is Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, next, he was a great scientist. He set up an Indian space research organization and also planned to project for Indian first satellite. He was Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. Who was this? Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. He was a great scientist and he set up an organization, Indian Space Research Organization, and he planned the project for Indian first satellite. Next, he was a great scientist and the first chairman of the Atomic Commission of India. The Atomic Research Institute at Bombay, Mumbai is named after him. He was Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Who was this? He was also a great scientist and the first chairman of Atomic Commission of India. After the Atomic Research Institute at Mumbai, it named as a Bombay. Next, he was a Indian scientist who invented the crescograph. Crescograph is an instrument which is used to measure the rate of growth in plants. He also discovered that plants feel like animal, and the person was Jagdish Chandra Bose. Okay, he invented the instrument crescograph which is used to measure the rate of growth in plants, and he discovered that the plants feel like animals. Next, she founded the missionary of charity and served the poor and the sick. She was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979 and canonized as a saint on September 4, 2016. She was Saint Teresa. Okay, she founded the missionaries of charity and she always worked for the poor and sick people. She always helped for the poor and sick people, and she also got the Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979. After that, she got the name for saint for September 2016. He was a great Indian scientist. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on scattering of light. His invention is known by his name. He was Dr. C.V. Raman. He was a great scientist and he got the Nobel Prize for the work of scattering of light, that how the lights are scattered. Okay, and for this invention he was known and his name was Dr. C.V. Raman.